Hi Bells, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of a dress haul. I only have two dresses for y'all to see today, and sorry for the way I look. I'm getting ready to go to my friend's wedding, but I bought one dress for the wedding, and then I bought another party dress that I thought that was going to be super cute for like the upcoming holidays. I don't really know if we'll be able to do anything with family and friends, but I just thought it was super cute and it was very inexpensive. So I'm just going to show you these two dresses that I got from Missguided. If you have been following me on my Instagram, you would have seen that I bought some pink faux croc boots from Missguided, and that was my very first order. And so I've really been kind of liking their website and their clothes, and they've so far so good. Everything fits very well. There's a slight situation with the with one of the gowns that I'm probably going to be wearing to the wedding tonight, but I'll show y'all that when I try it on. But anyway, the first dress that I'm showing y'all is this super cute, it's like this pink satiny velvet, not velvet, sorry, satin dress that looks like this. It's short, and it's kind of like a sweetheart necklace, but neckline, but it's kind of like triangular, I guess, if that makes sense. I'll show y'all when you see it on, you'll understand what I'm saying. But anyway, yeah, I think that I paid, I want to say maybe about $15 for this dress. And it has like some ruching here, kind of like a crisscross ruching on the bust, and it's got a zipper in the back, you can see here. And this is in a size 12. And yeah, I think I paid, let me see, the price isn't on here. I feel like I paid like $15 for this dress. So when you get it, I'm seeing it on this dress as well as the other gown that I bought, which I know a lot of stores do this when they send you dresses, because a lot of people, I don't really know why, but they'll wear a dress out and party in it and get it all messed up, and then they'll try to return it. So with here, they put this little white ribbon on, and it's all the way on the front of the dress. So when you get it, with Missguided anyway, I'm not sure if Shein has done it. I'm gonna be doing a like party dress or holiday dress haul from them probably here within the next month or so. So I'll kind of see if Shein does that as well. But as far as Missguided, yeah, they'll have these on here, as well as just the regular tag. That way you can't wear it out and then try to return it. So anyway, yeah, we'll try this one in a second, but that's this. The other gown that I got, which I did take this to the cleaner so it could get pressed, which is why it's still in the bag, but it looks like this. And y'all, this dress is super long. I am 5'1", 5'2", and I have like some super high heels that I'm wearing tonight, and it's like the dress is still entirely too long. But I ordered a backup dress, and for whatever reason they were unable to process it, even though I paid for expedited shipping. They just sent me an email the other day saying that it's something beyond their control, that it's gonna be processed or delivered 2 to 3 business days after. So that really sucks. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to kind of carry this dress along. But yeah, it's super long, which you'll see when I try it on, just FYI. But anyway, this dress looks like this. It's baby pink, or kind of like, not really baby pink, like a blush pink. And it's just got gold. I guess I should take this plastic off. It just has little bling around the neckline, and then lace or kind of tulle up that gathers in the front. So that is this one, and you see it is super long. It's so long. So anyway, we're gonna go and try these two on. Okay, so this is the first dress. So this is kind of, like I said, kind of like a sweetheart neckline, but it does come to a point here on the bust. It does have some ruching here up under the bust, as well as on the side, like across the dress. So it kind of looks like that it's kind of gathered on the side, but there's no tie or anything like that. So again, this is a size 12, and I don't have any shapewear, or I don't have on anything at all except for panties, just like a seamless panty. I wouldn't suggest boy shorts or anything else like that. But this is how this fits without, I don't have on a strapless bra or anything, so just kind of letting you see how it actually looks if you are shaped how I am. And then again, this is what I was saying about the little white tag here. They'll have that, so when you get it, just make sure, try it on, make sure that it fits before you cut this off, or you won't be able to return it. So anyway, this is how this looks here, and this is how it looks in the back. And it comes just below the knee, and I don't have on any shoes or anything else like that. So yeah, I really like this. I think this will be really nice for a Christmas cocktail party, or something like that, Christmas pictures or anything else like that as the holidays are coming. So yeah, be on the lookout. I will be styling this so y'all can see it with accessories and everything else. So this is this one. Let's look at the second one. Okay guys, so this is the second dress that I got. So I bought this dress in my correct size, a size 12. There's a lot going on with this dress. I had like I told you, I ordered another dress just as a backup, and it's not gonna be here in time, because like I said, the wedding is tonight. Again, I don't have on any shapewear or anything, just regular panties, no bra. Just again, so you can see if you are shaped like I am, how this would fit on you. So this is, as you can see, a bit tight. So I went and bought two different shapewears because I didn't know which one would work. And so that's one thing. You can see how super long this dress is. Again, I'm 5'1", 5'2". It is super long. These are the shoes that I'm wearing tonight, and even with these shoes, it's still super long. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to make this work. The other dresses that I have, they're kind of like too big and baggy. I lost weight about 2 years ago, and I haven't really bought a lot of gowns or anything to fit my new size. And so normally I would have like a whole bunch of dresses and gowns, but I just don't anymore. So I'm gonna have to re-up on those. But again, I will be doing an evening gown party dress haul from Shein, probably again within the next month or so. So we'll take care of that. So that's one thing. The other thing that I'm not really liking, that I'm going to have to fix, I love this part, how this is gathered here. Yeah, it's tight on my hips. If you are, again, my size or wear size 12, I would suggest maybe go up a size to a 14. I tried to do that, but they were sold out in this blush. They do have blue, like a royal blue and a hunter green, I believe, but they were out of the size, they were out of a size 14 in pink. So yeah, anyway, so yeah, I would definitely suggest going up a size. I hope to Christ that with me putting on shapewear that it will smooth everything out. I will be doing, again, we're going tonight, and I will be doing a like a full-on outfit of the day. Today's Saturday, but when you see this video, it'll be uploaded Sunday, so tomorrow. So you'll see everything together, and if I decided to go with this dress or if I didn't. So just, yeah, hopefully everything will work out. But anyway, yeah, it's really my hips that are making it kind of snug, and that's making it go everywhere else. This is the back. I don't have it fully zipped up because it's really hard, and I'm about to take this dress off so I can do hair and makeup, so I'm just about to take it right back off. But anyway, this is the back of the dress. You can see here, so it pretty much fits everywhere except like here. Again, I got booty and hips, so that's what it is. Again, I would highly suggest going up a size to a 14. That's just my suggestion. If it doesn't bother you how it gathers and it's a little bit snug, that's fine. Again, I'm not wearing any shapewear, so hopefully it'll smooth everything out, and everything like that. But the other thing that I have to work on, this extra fabric right here, it makes me look very wide, and so I'm going to have to tuck this in some type of way like this. Maybe if I get a bobby pin, not a bobby pin, a safety pin maybe, and kind of tuck that there like that. I feel like it just makes it have a cleaner look. This is, if you can see this little diamond blingy detailing there. Yeah, so anyway, this is this dress. Hopefully everything will work out. So yeah, that's, you know, I really love it. This dress was only, I want to say $54. It wasn't very expensive at all, which is a good thing. Normally, I know I told y'all, like, I don't really pay a lot of money for things, but my gowns, I do pay a lot of money for those, just because, like, any party wear, formal attire, I do pay a decent amount of money for, because they're formal gowns, and I love, like, the glitz and glamour of everything, so I don't mind paying for that. But I didn't have, like, a lot of time, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a dress just at this moment in time. So anyway, yeah, this dress is pretty cost effective. I will link everything down below so you can see it. And this is just the YouTube video. Tomorrow I will be posting the final review on the shapewear that I have on, the shoes, accessories, everything else like that. So you can pop over to my Instagram if you aren't following me. It's just the Glamorous Southern Belle, and you'll be able to see the full-on outfit. So anyway, yeah. That's it. I need to get going. I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Again, everything will be linked in the description below. And yeah, watch out for the, it'll be an IGTV that I'm going to be posting tomorrow of like my full look for the wedding for tonight. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.